Hey there, food lovers and travel enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting episode of Global Eats Uncovered, where we explore the world's culinary secrets and highlight the amazing food experiences from every corner of the globe. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to wander the world through your taste buds, you've come to the right place. In this episode, we're diving into an incredible selection of food substitutes that are not only unique, but might just surprise you. These are the substitutes from different cultures that you probably didn't know existed. So, sit back, relax, and let's uncover some hidden food gems from around the world. Let's start with a fan favorite. When you think of Mexican food, you likely imagine the creamy goodness of guacamole. But did you know that avocados have become one of the most popular food substitutes worldwide? This creamy fruit is a versatile and nutritious substitute for butter, mayonnaise, or even dairy-based creams in many recipes. For instance, in Mexico, some traditional recipes have turned to avocado as a healthier, plant-based alternative to dairy-rich dishes like quesadillas and tacos. Not only does it add a rich texture, but it also brings in that earthy, mild flavor that is hard to replicate. But it's not just in savory dishes that avocados are taking over. In Mexico, avocado is also used to create a substitute for sweet desserts, like avocado-based smoothies or even cakes, offering a smoother texture with natural sweetness. In Southeast Asia, particularly in Thailand and Indonesia, coconut milk plays a pivotal role in many dishes, from curries to desserts. But one substitute you might not know about is how coconut rice has become a common replacement for plain white rice. Instead of cooking your rice with water, coconut milk is used to infuse each grain with a subtle sweetness and a rich, fragrant flavor. Where rice is steamed in coconut milk and served alongside spicy sambal, boiled eggs, and crispy fried anchovies, it's a comforting, rich substitute that packs a punch of flavor. Seaweed in Japan, a flavorful and healthy switch. Seaweed isn't just for sushi rolls in Japan. This ocean treasure has been used for centuries, not only as a food, but also as a substitute for various ingredients. When it comes to flavor enhancement, seaweed is used as an alternative to salt and other seasonings. The seaweed's natural umami flavor gives dishes a satisfying depth without the need for heavy sodium. A popular Japanese dish, miso soup, often uses seaweed for an added earthy undertone. In recent years, seaweed has also gained attention as a healthier, plant-based alternative to meats in Japan. Seaweed-based snacks, meals, and even seaweed burgers are making their way to the plates of health-conscious eaters everywhere. Peanut butter in Africa, a rich, nutty substitute. Peanut butter is a food favorite in many parts of the world, but it has a special place in the cuisine of West Africa. Known as groundnut paste, it's used in a variety of dishes, from stews to sauces. The richness and smooth texture of peanut butter makes it an ideal substitute for oils and fats in cooking, providing a creamy texture while still maintaining that rich, nutty flavor. In countries like Ghana and Nigeria, peanut butter is often used to thicken soups, like groundnut soup, which features a blend of spices, vegetables, and meats. This dish has become a comforting staple and a favorite food substitute for those seeking plant-based alternatives. Garlic in Italy, a flavorsome replacement for meat. In the heart of Italy, garlic isn't just an aromatic seasoning, it's also a flavor-packed substitute for those looking to cut down on meat or animal-based products. In many Italian dishes such as olio spaghetti with garlic and olive oil, garlic has long been used to substitute meat flavors and infuse dishes with rich, savory notes. What you might not know is that garlic's versatility extends beyond pasta dishes. In Italy, garlic is used to create vegetarian or vegan alternatives to sausages, rich meats, and even cheeses. Garlic-based spreads and sauces are widespread throughout the country as a perfect substitute for heavier, meat-based options. Cashew cheese in India, a dairy-free delight. For those who are lactose intolerant or simply prefer dairy-free diets, cashew cheese has become an incredible substitute for traditional dairy products. Popular in India, cashew cheese is made from soaked cashews, blended with spices, and often used to create creamy textures in dishes like paneer tikka and butter chicken. The richness of cashews mimics the texture of soft cheeses and provides a delicious, creamy base for a variety of Indian recipes. Whether you're making a curry, a savory dip, or even a dessert like cashew halwa, cashew cheese offers a satisfying alternative to heavy dairy. Lemon as a zesty substitute in the Middle East. Lemon is not just a garnish or a juice in the Middle East, it's a staple ingredient used to substitute for more acidic or vinegar-based products. In countries like Lebanon, Syria, and Egypt, lemons are a vital component in creating vibrant, tangy dishes from tabbouleh to fattoush. Lemon juice is also a natural preservative, often used to keep vegetables fresh and to add a burst of flavor to meat and fish dishes. The zest, peel, and juice of the lemon serve as an all-in-one substitute that adds depth, freshness, and an unmistakable zing to Middle Eastern cuisine. Honey as a sweet substitute in the Middle East and beyond. Instead of sugar, honey has been used for centuries as a natural sweetener in the Middle East. Known for its rich taste and health benefits, honey is commonly added to dishes such as baklava, a sweet pastry, or naifa, a syrup-soaked dessert. The sweetness of honey enhances the flavors of the dish, while also adding an earthy richness that refined sugar simply can't match. In addition to its use in desserts, honey is also a common substitute for sweetening tea and beverages, providing a natural alternative to processed sugars and artificial sweeteners. Chia seeds in South America, a nutritious substitute for eggs. Chia seeds have taken the world by storm, but their origins can be traced back to South America, where they've been used for centuries. Indigenous to regions in Mexico and Guatemala, chia seeds are now a popular substitute for eggs in plant-based diets. When soaked in water, chia seeds create a gelatinous substance that mimics the texture of eggs in baking. In countries like Mexico, chia seeds have long been added to smoothies, cereals, and desserts for their incredible health benefits, which include omega, A23, fatty acids, and fiber. This superfood is now making its mark as an egg replacement in vegan cakes, pancakes, and even eggless tortillas. Jackfruit in India and Southeast Asia. The meat alternative. Known for its meaty texture, this fruit is often used to replace pulled pork, chicken, or beef in curries, stews, and street food. In India, jackfruit curry is a popular vegetarian alternative to meat curries, and in countries like Thailand and Malaysia, it's used in stir-fries and tacos. The texture of jackfruit makes it an ideal replacement for shredded meats, and its mild flavor takes on the spices and sauces it's cooked with, making it an incredibly versatile ingredient.